Hello everyone. Uh, my name is Oscar de Realizadas Rodriguez. I'm 28 years old and I am software developer. In this video, I want to talk about my daily routine and the food on my fridge or food I have in my fridge. I usually wake up to 6 a.m. and do some exercise. After that, I get ready for work. After work, I like to study a bit, or sometimes I play PlayStation, depending on my mood. On in this moment, I feeling something different. Uh, it's depending. It's depending of context of my day. I also like to watch videos on the weekends. I enjoy going to out. I enjoy going out with my girlfriend and exploring beautiful landscapes. Sometimes I play football with my friends on Saturday nights. And I pass to my fridge. In my fridge, I always have some lemons, mangoes, papayas, avocados, lettuce, tomatoes, and other types of vegetables and fruits. I always have some lemons because I use them a lot. Right now, I don't have any melon, but I would like to buy some. Uh, I think cover all of the guide. I hope this. Okay, this is my video. Is is all. Okay, and thank you for watching me. And bye. See you later.